All right, y'all, for day 7 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, we've got the Slider Guys cheesy chorizo breakfast burritos. Let me show you how he makes them. All right, so he starts by cooking these hash browns. I'm gonna stick these in the air fryer. While they're air frying, we're gonna cook 1 pound of mild chorizo. I love Lechona brand. I'm gonna use their mild chorizo for this. Now we're just gonna brown and crumble this chorizo up. I'm gonna drain a little bit of this fat. Okay. All right, our chorizo's cooked. Now he adds eggs. I'm gonna do 4, so that's all I've got. We're gonna let these eggs cook in with this chorizo. He just adds some salt, and he calls this African American pepper. Smells freaking fabulous. Our hash browns are ready and super crispy. I've got these large burrito size flour tortillas. He recommends microwaving this for like 30 seconds to make it more pliable, so that's what I'm gonna do. Nice and steamy. Add the chorizo to the bottom. The chorizo and egg, I should say. All right, and then 1 hash brown. He just halves this. That was a horrible half, so I might just cut these up. You know, I guess I could have just laid it on there. Anywho, 1 hash brown. And Mexican style cheese. I'm using Lechona cheddar blend, as well as their quesadilla melting cheese. I'm gonna heavily cover this with cheese. What's a burrito without a lot of cheese, you know? I don't even know how I'm gonna get this rolled up. Now I'm gonna try to roll this into a burrito. So fold the edges, tuck, 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 tuck. Oh yeah, baby. That's a damn burrito, y'all. So he cooks his in the skillet with some butter. I'm gonna spray this with just some butter spray and air fry this. Air fry it seam side down. Look how beautiful this thing is. Now for the reveal of that cross section. Are you freaking kidding me? This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen or made. All right, let's give these a try. Look at the cheese hanging out of that thing. That's my first bite for sure. Oh my God. You guys, what? Look at the cheesiness, the beefy chorizo. Oh yeah, baby. The only thing that would make this better is some of the blondes who eats creamy green sauce right on top of this burrito. Trust me, y'all gotta make these.